Listen, when you're out in the field as long as I have been, you stop looking at the shiny brochures and start looking at the guts of the machine. Before I was swapping compressors, I was an electrician in the nuclear power industry, so I tend to look at HVAC systems like a grid. It's all about reliability and how much juice it takes to get the job done. Today, we're putting two budget-friendly heavyweights in the ring, the Century ASA16 and the Direct Comfort GSXM4. Both of these are ducted split systems, and we're looking at their 14.3 SEER 2 models to see which one actually deserves a spot on your pad. We've got to start with the armor because out in the elements, that's what keeps your investment from turning into a pile of junk. Based on the technical data, the Century ASA16 comes with a full louvered steel coil guard. In my book, that's the gold standard for protecting those fragile aluminum fins from hail, weed whackers, or the neighbor's dog. The Direct Comfort GSXM4 also brings a solid defense to the table, utilizing a heavy gauge galvanized steel cabinet with a steel louver coil guard. Both of these units are providing excellent protection for the price point, ensuring your coils aren't left wide open to the elements. Technically speaking, both of these units are sitting at a 14.3 SEER 2 rating, which is the modern baseline for efficiency. But let's talk about the electrical side, specifically the inrush current. Both the Century and the Direct Comfort utilize a standard single-stage scroll compressor. From a nuclear electrician's perspective, that means every time this thing kicks on, it's hitting your electrical panel with a full tilt start. There's no soft start or ramping up like you'd see in a variable speed unit. Both units run at a noise level of 72 decibels, which is a standard hum for this tier. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the price. For a 2.5 ton condenser, you're looking at an average equipment cost of around $1,800 to $2,200 for the Century ASA16. Once you factor in a professional installation, you're usually looking at a total bill between $5,500 and $7,500 depending on your local labor rates. The Direct Comfort GSXM4 is priced very competitively with equipment costs for a 2.5 ton unit often found between $1,700 and $1,900. Total installed prices for this specific model generally land in the $3,000 to $4,000 range, which is significantly more budget friendly. Before we get to the winner, here's a pro tip for the homeowners. Wash your condenser coils every spring. It doesn't matter how good the warranty is. If you let dirt and cottonwood seeds choke that unit, you're going to cook the compressor and spike your electric bill. A 10-minute rinse with a garden hose can save you thousands in the long run. In the warranty battle, things get interesting. The Century ASA16 gives you a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty, plus a 1-year unit replacement lemon coverage. The Direct Comfort GSXM4 counters with a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty for the original registered homeowner. While the Century gives you that quick peace of mind with the 1-year replacement, that lifetime compressor promise on the Direct Comfort is a massive statement of long-term confidence. The Century is manufactured in the USA, while the Direct Comfort also hails from American facilities. So, who takes the trophy? I'm going with the Direct Comfort GSXM4. Here's why. Both units provide that critical louvered coil protection, so the build quality is a wash. However, the Direct Comfort wins on the long-term bottom line. With a significantly lower installed price point and a lifetime compressor warranty, it offers a level of financial protection that the Century just can't match. For a homeowner looking for reliable, field-tested cooling that protects their wallet for the long haul, the GSX M4 is the smarter play. Shop like a pro. Check out the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to see how these stack up against the premium brands.